So guys, we are now lagin, and our beauty is packing. Ay. So guys, this is my members. There are they. I'm not good.
Best in English.
I'm good at English. Yes po.
Yeah.
They're having some fun. We are going to his heart.
Based on the vlog.
We are going to our
destiny. And our destination.
So guys, nagla-vlog po kami ngayon. Dahil kami ay walang content. Uy. Yan po ang mga abno sa Pilipinas. Yay! I-represent ko po ang mga abno sa Pilipinas.